Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the updated steps to change the language on your Gmail app. Whether you're switching to your native language or exploring another, this process is quick and simple. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This is where you'll access account-specific settings. Next, select Manage your Google account. This option will take you to a new page where you can make changes to your account preferences. On this page, look for the Personal Info tab and tap on it. Scroll down until you find the Language option. It's usually marked with a globe icon for easy identification. Now tap on Language. Here you'll see a list of available languages. Browse through the list and choose your preferred language by tapping on it. If you don't see your desired language immediately, use the search bar to locate it quickly. Once you've selected your language, the changes will apply automatically. Your Gmail app will now display content in the language you chose. This adjustment enhances your user experience and ensures smoother navigation. And that's it. You've successfully updated the language settings on your Gmail app. If you ever need to change it again, simply follow these steps. Enjoy using Gmail in the language that suits you best.